Rocket Selectorized Seated Dip delivers a functional triceps exercise while reducing shoulder stress during movements. HOIST's ROC's technology starts the body in a slightly forward lean and then rocks to the rear to a stable exercise position during movement, helping to engage your core muscles and mimic the natural motion of a bar dip. Its adjustable exercise handles provide proper start positioning and reduce excessive shoulder stress and instability during exercise. Its ratcheting seat adjustment accommodates different body types. The Rocket Selectorized Biceps Curl uses HOIST's ROC's technology to start the body in an upright posture, improving arm extension for maximum muscle recruitment, then rocks to the rear during movement to reduce shoulder and back involvement. The Rocket Biceps Curl mimics the natural rocking motion of the standing biceps curl while increasing the natural range of motion without involving or stressing the lower back. The Rocket Biceps Curl is designed with swiveling pulley handles, giving users 3 grip options for underhand, overhand, and neutral curling. And the cable-driven movement automatically adjusts to accommodate varying arm lengths and shoulder widths. The Rocket Selectorized Lat Pull-Down starts the body in a slight forward lean, increasing muscle stretch to the lats and traps, while ROC's technology combines with the exercise's pulling movement to lift the seat and rock the body to the rear. This motion mimics a natural pull-up movement while avoiding lower back hyperextension. The forward, unsupported movement of the torso results in greater core activation for a more complete exercise. The Rocket Lat Pull-Down offers users multiple grip positions for varying body sizes, self-aligning handles that adjust to users, a patented counterbalanced exercise arm, and an adjustable thigh hold-down pad. All this combines into a lat pull-down that keeps users in the correct form throughout the entire exercise. Seated mid-row uses ROC's technology to lift the seat while rocking the body to the rear, avoiding unsafe lower back hyperextension. The unsupported movement of the torso results in greater activation of the core muscles needed to maintain balance for a more effective and complete exercise. The seated mid-row delivers greater core activation and has self-aligning exercise arms, letting users pull into a low row position, recruiting more mid and lower back muscles. The swiveling handles let users row with an overhand or neutral grip and automatically adjust to a user's hand rotation. The Rocket Selectorized low back machine starts the body in a forward lean with the knees bent. ROC's technology then shifts the user to the rear during movement, maintaining proper alignment between the hips and lower back at all times, reducing lower back stress and maintaining optimal support to the hips and spine. Its swiveling back pad maintains optimal hip and spine support during movement, and the adjustable footrests easily accommodate varying body sizes. The Rocket Selectorized Chest Press starts with the exercise handles positioned at chest level. Then, ROC's technology moves the body to the rear, ending with the handles aligned to the chin, mimicking the natural arched movement of a bench press. The Rocket Chest Press reduces the stress placed on the anterior shoulder capsule during horizontal extension and the internal rotation of the arms. The contoured pressing arm handles let you press with an overhand or neutral grip, and the foot assist bar lets you easily get the handles in a comfortable starting position. Its ratcheting seat easily adjusts to varying body sizes. The Rocket Selectorized Pec Fly starts with the exercise handles positioned at the upper chest. Then ROC's technology moves the body to the rear, recruiting mid and lower chest muscles for a more complete exercise movement. The Rocket Pec Fly was also designed to reduce the stresses placed on the anterior shoulder capsule during horizontal extension and internal rotation of the arms. The Rocket Pec Fly provides upper, mid, and lower chest muscle recruitment. The dual pivot point exercise arms and the swiveling handles self-align to the user's arm length and wrist position during exercise. Rocket Selectorized leg extension starts users off in an upright position, then rocks rearward during the exercise movement, providing a greater range of motion and a more natural hinging movement. ROC's technology lowers the hips, maintaining a posterior pelvic tilt for better loading of the quadriceps muscles. It's also designed to reduce shear force and stress to the knee joints and limit lower back involvement for a more correct exercise. It features a gas shock-assisted adjustable back pad for varying leg lengths and self-aligning roller pads that automatically adjust to reduce potential ankle joint stress. The Rocket Selectorized leg curl rocks users to the rear during exercise, providing a greater range of motion, while ROC's technology lowers the hips to prevent forward travel of the body during contraction. HOIST's Rocket leg curl machine has a gas shock-assisted adjustable back pad for varying leg lengths and an adjustable shin pad to create a natural hinging movement and reduce shearing force and stress to knee joints. Its self-aligning roller pad also reduces stress on ankle joints. The Rocket Selectorized leg press starts the user's body in a traditional upright position, then rocks the upper torso to the rear, providing greater gluteal muscle activation for more intense leg and calf workouts. Its 11 linear seat adjustments accommodate varying leg lengths, and the large oval foot plate provides multiple foot placements for both leg press and calf extensions. Inner thigh and outer thigh machines position the body for enhanced user comfort and optimal hip rotation during the exercise movement. The inner thigh rocks forward, reducing stress on the low back by allowing the hips to naturally flex forward. The outer thigh rocks to the rear, allowing the hips to naturally tilt backward and reduce stress on the spine. Their range of motion adjustments accommodate multiple starting positions, while the oval thigh pads are angled to comfortably fit various body sizes. The Rocket Selectorized rotary calf machine uses ROC's technology to focus movement through the ankle, increasing the exercise's range of motion and intensifying the workload on the calf muscles. All this plus reducing stresses on the foot for a more complete exercise. It has 11 linear seat adjustments for varying leg lengths and to accommodate a variety of body sizes and starting positions. The Rocket Selectorized shoulder press starts with the user's hands in a neutral position in front of the body, reducing potential shoulder impingements. Then, ROC's technology rocks the body to the rear, finishing with the hands overhead. The rocking movement keeps the user's arm aligned with the midline of their torso, decreasing external arm and shoulder rotation and reducing arching of the lower back. The Rocket shoulder press mimics a natural shoulder pressing movement, and its ratcheting seat adjusts to accommodate a variety of body sizes. The Rocket Selectorized abdominals machine starts the body in an upright position with the exercise handles positioned to pre-stretch the abdominal muscles. ROC's technology's rocking movement lowers the hips during the exercise, increasing the abdominal muscle involvement necessary to produce trunk flexion while avoiding excessive hip flexion. HOIST's Rocket abs machine features a seat that locks in the forward-facing position for a stable, defined exercise path. When users are ready to challenge their abdominal and core muscles, the seat can be unlocked, allowing it to pivot from side to side. A pivoting seat lets users achieve multiple exercise paths and greater core activation. During exercise, the Rocket abs machine constantly provides proper support of lumbar and cervical areas.